All right, what happens if we have duplicate items and we still are wanting a permutation? Well, if we do that, we have a special equation. We can do that. And so the number of permutations of n items where p items are identical, q items are identical, r items are identical, and so on is given by this. So we take n factorial first, the total number of items, divide it by the number of ways each of them are the same. So if there's, three p's, three q's, and four r's, then we're going to put 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial, or down here, depending on whatever it is, however many they are the same. And then we can figure that out. Now that's going to work, depending on the problem a little bit differently. So let's do one where we have a word. Now with a word we're going to use is going to be osmosis. So first things first, we have to find out how many letters are here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 letters. Okay. So that means n is equal to 7. Now, do we have any duplicates? Well, we have O as a duplicate. So we could say, if we go by the first things first, then P is equal to 2. Anything else duplicate? Well, S, there's 3 S's. So let's do Q is equal to 3. Now, is there anything else? No, there's only one M, there's only one I. And so what we need to do then is we're going to plug it back into this equation. So we have 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial. And that will give us our final answer in this question. So if we do that, go to our calculator. And so what we're going to have is we have 7 factorial divided by, now remember, put parentheses here, so we have everything in the denominator is going to be divided into the 7 factorial. Then we had 2 factorial times 3 factorial in parentheses, and we get 420. So there's going to be 420 ways we can rearrange these letters, okay? And that's because, again, we have duplicates, and so we're taking out some of the possible ways because we don't know which O is O and which S is which S. And so that's why there's going to be 420. All right, so let's stop there, and hopefully that helps you out with 11.2.